Okay, let's start with algebra solution. One prelim paper from Thakur International that will start. Question number 1A. It is based on the reduced portion. One side of the rectangle is exceed another by 2 and its area is 195. In rectangle, in rectangle, length, breadth. Breadth is x, length is 2 more, and the area is 192. We have to just form the equation. So length into breadth is equal to area. This is MCQ, and they have given some choice, but you have to calculate. So it is x square plus 2x minus 192. This is the equation. Next question. Next question. X minus y is 2. X plus y is 4. So which values are suitable? So when you will add, it is 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. 3 plus how much is equal to 4? So 3 and 4. You calculate. Don't select any number. You just calculate first and then select the number. How many terms are there? From 4, 9, 14, 409. 4, 9, 14, 409. We have to find out number of n. So a is equal to 4, difference is equal to 5. Last term is 109. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn is 109 is equal to a 4 plus n minus 1 d. Whenever you have to find out n, don't open the bracket. This 109 minus 4, it is 105. Then divide by 5. 5 2s are 5 1s are. Minus 1 goes this side. So from 4 to 109, by increasing 555, there are 22 numbers. Three coins, but we don't want T. 3 coins. For that, I have given best idea. All T, all H, then first T, second T, third T. First H, second H, third H. Rest of are opposite. Adopt this intelligent method. So total 8. We don't want T. So number of S is equal to 8. Number of A. We don't want T. T we don't want. Here T, here T, here T. Here also T, here also T, here also T. It is only 1. So probability of A, it is 1 by 8. You have to select from the choice. This is MCQ. Now, very good graph example. A student who will score 90 plus, definitely I'll invite for the next batch in motivation speech. X plus y is equal to 3, x minus y is equal to 4. x, y, x, y. Some numbers are given 3, 5, 3. Find this, find this. Then 0 minus 1, 4. Find this, and this, and make the pair. Suppose x is equal to 3. 3 plus how much is equal to 3? 0. Correct? 0. So this is 3, 0. 5. 5 plus how much is equal to 3? Minus 2. X always first. Y is equal to 3. 3 plus how much is equal to 3? 0. Now y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 directly. X is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. So minus 1 minus 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 5. Now y is equal to 4. 4 comes this side. Only you have to complete the table, correct?
So your skin is blurred.
Now
So little.
x square minus 3 is equal to 0. By two way you can solve. X square minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 3 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 3. X is equal to under root 3 plus or minus. So x is equal to minus root 3 or plus root. Correct? Now x square minus root 3 square is equal to 0. So x plus root 3, x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So x plus root 3 is equal to 0 or x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 3, x is equal to plus root 3. So by both the method you will get the same answer. A is 2, probability is 1 by 5. Number of A is 2. Probability of A is 1 by 5. And number of S question. So probability of A is number of A divided by number of S. So probability of 1 is 1 by 5. A is 2. This is question. Cross product 5 to the 10. AP or not? 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 3. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 3. We have to find out it is AP or not. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4. Difference 1, difference 2, difference 3. 3 times you have to find out. So T2, T3, T4. T1, T2, T3. So first is 2, 5 by 2, 3. From second, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 3. Cross product 5 ones are 5 minus 2 to the 4 by 2. So it is half. 3 to the 6 minus 5 by 2. It is half. 7 ones are 7 minus 3 3 is 9 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Okay. Or you can say 2, 5 by 2 means 2.5. 3 by 2 they have given. 7 by 3 they have given. So it is 2.3333. See, it is increasing, then decreasing. So all are not equal. D1 is equal to D2, but is not equal to D3. Therefore, if D1, D2, D3 all are equal, then only it is AP, otherwise not. And by fraction also we have compared, so it is not.
So yes,
Still problem? Hello?
yes, sir. Little bit.
Wait. Because I am using the same mobile, no, that is. Five m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. And m is equal to minus 7 by 5. So to find k, so m 5 minus 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5 plus 2 minus 7 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. 5 cancel. 7 sevens are 49 minus minus plus by 5. 7 twos are 14 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. Now denominator same. So 49 by 14 plus k is equal to 0. 35 by 5 plus k. 5 sevens are 7 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 7. Next. Three y square is equal to 15y. Solve this equation. 3y square minus 15y is equal to 0. 3y common. So 3y is equal to 0 or y minus 5 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 5. So solution set y is equal to, for single alphabet, single variable, more than one answer, it is solution set. For two different variable, two different answer, it is solution. Series is given 5, 1 minus 3. Minus 7 AP. We have to find out T10. So A is equal to 5. D is equal to 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. So first you got, second you got, and third n is equal to 10. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. This is a this and this. It is an activity question. So a 10 minus 1 minus 4, 9 minus 4 minus 36. 5 minus 36 is equal to minus 31. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 10th term will be minus 31. Next question. This is very good. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Try to follow the steps. Question step number 1. This is a is 3, b is minus 2 root 6, c is 2. So first take a into b, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. A into b, sorry, a into c, a into c, divide by under root number, not 2 root 6, only 6. So 1. Under root 6 you have to divide, under root number you have to divide. Whatever the answer you will get, now from that you have to get the answer of outside number. So you want 2. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1, it is minus 2. So it is 3x square minus 1 root 6x minus 1 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you can see. Correct? Now very easily I can explain that root 3 x all factor minus root 3 root 2 x minus root 3 root 2 x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now it is very easy to take the common. What is common? Root 3 is common, x is common. Take it outside, root 3. So it is root 3 x minus root 2. Now here you can take only root 2 and minus also, minus root 2 common. So root 3x minus root 2. Now common of common, root 3x minus root 2, root 3x minus root 2, root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to root 3 by root 2 by root 3. So x is equal to root 2 by root 3. Both the answers are real. Sorry, both the answers are equal. So it is a perfect square. That is why you are getting both the answer same. Pratiksha, how many minutes remain? Hello?
Yes, sir. 2 minutes left.
Only 2 minutes, no? So, fast, no problem. Okay, student, till your this prelim exam is postponed because now it is not in February, it is in May. Sorry, in March. Uh, why we are postponing it? Because we want written exam. Throughout the year, we have done only online exam and oral work and all. So writing part, it is most important. That is why we will take late but 100% offline writing exam. So be prepared. do every time, every day drill work, at least 1 hour or 2 hour maths, 1 hour for science. So reduce syllabus we have, that which portion are reduced. If you don't have, you send me the message. I will reply you. But you be concentrate in this only, study, because now very less days are remain. February half, March, April, and in May you have exams. So 2.5 months. So around 75 days. So 75 days. If you will start with zero, no, you can achieve 90% mark very easily. And I have given promise that if you will score, if you will cross 90, definitely I will invite you as a guest for the next batch motivational lecture. And I will say, no, see these students how they are prepared. Now they are equally working with me and they are sharing stage with me. They are very enthusiastic, energetic, and now they are able to share their ideas and tips and all. So from this batch, my expectation is very high. Last year, because of language, only we missed the 100% passing result. This year, I want anyhow 100% result. You give your 50%, I will give my 100%. For maths and science, anytime you can call, anytime you can message. Definitely, I will help you. And we have seen, no, even your colleagues are also ready to help you anytime. Mukesh have set an example of that helping. So